Hello everyone, welcome back to the TBI A2R tutorial channel. This video will show you how to use the app, how to authorize your customers to download and use the app. It's simple, it's not complex. I will show it's available into the Google Play Store and also Apple Play Store. I will start showing you where and how to download that, okay? First thing is the Google Play Store. You just type TBI space 8ware if your customers are using Android cell phones or tablet. So you'll find this icon just to install, download. If they are using Apple, this is not for them. So if they are using Apple, they go straight to the phone, okay? Okay, and here they will type TBI 8ware together into the Apple Store. This is an Apple phone, and we'll find the app also to download. What does your customer can do with the app? They can create tickets, scanning the QR code, which you have to stick in the instrument. They will also can check the status of the tickets, and we will also be able to check the preventive maintenance schedule. Once you program that, they just scanning the QR code, they will be able to check the PM schedule, not needing to call you or ask for this information. So first step, you have to create users. How does it work? This app is not public for everybody to use. It's very specific. This is for TBI 8ware customers, not you, but your customers. Okay, your customers will use that. In this case, you have to create the users. You create managers in each customer. Let's say a hospital. If you have 3 different areas, MRI, X-ray, and other areas, and also the clinical laboratory, you can create 1 user per area or as many as you wish. There is no limit. It's free of charge to download the app and also to create customer users. So after you create managers for this app in each customer, those managers will be able to give access to their users because maybe they have plenty of users. So this is going to be their responsibility. The users will fill a form and request access. That's it. Okay, so I will show you step by step. First thing is to create user. Okay, a new user. Let's say you have a new customer. You just come here and they want to use the app. New user, you just in the type field, you just choose customer manager. Customer manager, the next field, you have to choose the customer, which customer this person will belong to. Belong to, let's say, Baptist Hospital, Miami. Internal code, let's say customer 002. Okay? Email, info@8ware.com. Okay, person, Antonio Andrade. Okay, info@8ware.com. So once you click in save, this person here will, in this email, will receive the credentials. So the password in this case will be generated automatically to your customers, and they can change as well. So next step, save. And that's it, created. And let's just wait for a few seconds and already have an email entering here. It's almost immediate, okay? And we can see here, see system, inbox. Maybe it's in notifications. Yes, it is in notifications, yeah? In this case, it's in Portuguese here. We need to change the text, but the customer will receive in English, okay? So this is informing the email and also the password. Let me copy the password and the email I know. Next step is to open the app. So let's go here to the screen again. this screen. Okay, I'm going to the main one just to show you, and here we will enter into the app. Okay, now I'm going to close the Apple Store and I'm going to the app itself, which is this one, TBI. Okay, and this at this point, yeah, it's a very important information here. It's the server selection. You have to choose the server, sorry. You have to choose the server. So we have four possibilities. Once you click here, we have a global server, which is based in US, Amazon AWS, Amazon United States. Most of the customers are using this server. The other option is UAE. Due to the regulations, we have a server in Dubai, in UAE region, okay? So you choose that. But if you are using the demonstration version and you want to try with your customer, yeah, just to show them how it works, you can do that. It's free again, okay? Demonstration. You choose the demonstration server, okay, which is in Canada. And the demonstration server is where we locate the demonstration databases for everybody, okay? So now you will put the email here. Let's log in, info@a2r.com, and I will paste the password. Okay, password is here. Okay, log in, and if there was another person requesting the access to this customer manager, they should click in the request access. Okay, request access. I will show this later. First, let's log in. Very easy, log it in. We don't have tickets yet. This is the ticket, to create ticket. Also, there is availability in 3 different languages, Portuguese, Spanish, and English. And also the PM schedule can be checked here, just scanning the QR code. But let's say now that we have a customer manager, I will log out, and now another person, an employee of this customer manager, just download the app, is, let's say, an operator of one of the equipment, and is asking for access because they need to create a ticket. It's simple. They just need to download the app and click here, request access. They will choose the server as well. They will put their name, first name, last name, email, choose a password, and click in this field, manager's email. Now they will place their manager's email, not your email, their manager, the one you just created. So the info@a2r.com, yeah? So I use this just an example, but this is going to be your manager at the customer manager for the app, okay? They will put the email here and then request access. When they do that, their manager will receive an email with a link. The only thing they have to do is to click in the link and authorize the access. So from that moment, the new user will have access with the password and the email they just created, okay? Going back to show you how it works. Now, suppose everybody has access to the app. So I'm going back here. We are logged out. Let me see, info, the one I just created at a2r.com. The password, again, I will paste here and login. Okay, it's empty. Now we need to create a ticket. So what to do? I'm going to use the database, but the reality, you have to print the labels of your, let's say, search for equipment. The customer was Baptist. So those are the instruments which are installed, this instrument here, Baptist Hospital Miami. There is only one instrument installed in there. So let's see the QR code. So the regular process, you create You choose this instrument. So there is another process I demonstrate in another video. Create the QR code. So this is the QR code you are going to stick in the instrument, okay? And now your customer, which has access to the app already, will just click here and say, okay, I want to create a ticket for this instrument. New ticket. Okay, authorize cameras. Now I will pick my phone here and this screen will disappear for a few seconds. Just for the time I scan the QR code. It's scanned already. I will close the cell phone and I will connect again. So you'll be able to see what screen the customer will see. The customer will see this screen here. Okay, this is the instrument, this is the serial number, and then the case scan again if it is not correct, or create a ticket for this instrument. Here you have to choose the category and select the type. Okay, in this area here you have the error codes. So what's the problem? You have an engineer, you have application, they want a training, they have a problem with the peripheral, with a printer, with UPS. Let's say they have an engineering problem, yeah, and they have to choose one, and write here equipment not working, just to give you an idea about what's happening, what's going on with the equipment. Okay, now just click in create ticket and the ticket will be created. It's already created in the system. We have the number here and the customer will receive an email. You can copy the number, copy it, okay? The customer will receive an email saying, dear customer, we have received your ticket. Probably you will see this here, now in here, or in notification, okay? So it takes a little while to enter, but they will receive, oh no, it's here, system. Okay, you will see an email in a little while, okay? Now going back to here, to the app, and to the, okay? I will close this screen. Now we have the ticket which was created here. So again, the ticket is in here, it is a mobile phone. The customer can see that, they can go back here and, okay, and just go to the tickets, and the tickets here saying pending. Now, in the company, they have already received an email informing, so you, dispatcher, please take care of this customer, we just created a ticket. So the dispatcher come here, come to the dispatch center. So I just copied the number of the ticket, okay? I just click here in dispatch center, and you can use this field just to search for this ticket specifically, yeah? And this is, or by technician name, doesn't matter. You have several possibilities. So I will assign this ticket for today, let's say 2:30 p.m. Okay, and I expect my feeling is that it's going to take 2 hours to attend this ticket. Okay, and now I choose the engineer. There is one which is busy. There is a conflict, so I cannot choose this guy and this time specifically here. So I would choose Michael or Daniel, which has intermediate experience. Yeah. So here the scorecard you can see in other videos as well. Let's say Daniel Foster. Okay. You can preview in the calendar. Okay, it's going to take this time from Daniel, and you just confirm here. Just to show you how it works. From now on, the ticket is here. So Daniel, which was the engineer to who we have assigned that, which is this one, Daniel Foster, can view the ticket from his mobile. And let's say Daniel will start travel straight away. Start travel, yes, I want to start travel. And let's see what happens if the customer look at the app right now. Yeah, let's check here and just refresh, and now it's in transit. So it's showing that the engineer is in transit. So what I want to show you is that the people, the customer can see all the time what's going on here. And here you can see the SLA, time to arrive and time to complete. So through the process, all the time, the customer will be able to check here. If the customer this instrument doesn't have a preventive maintenance booked yet, but if they have, you just scan here the QR code and you will see the preventive maintenance schedule. Let me see here if they have. I believe, no, they don't have. This customer doesn't have preventive maintenance programmed yet. It's just an example, okay? But it works the same way. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy, and you and your customers enjoy the app, the possibility, the functionality to just scan and create tickets, or just scan and check the preventive maintenance schedule. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.